How to fix Messenger not receiving message. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, on the Play Store application on a device and search for Messenger application. Make sure that you have the latest version of the application. As you can see on the screen, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Messenger application. Now we're going to go back and then launch the settings application on our device and then scroll down and tap on apps. Select manage apps over here, and as you do that, tap on the search apps or the search category and search for Messenger. Now as you search for Messenger, the app will pop up, so just wait and search for the Messenger application over here, and as you find it, tap on it and then tap on clear data option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then select clear cache and tap on OK, and after that you can just go back and relaunch your Messenger application, and this might help you fix your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.